All right. Afternoon Pioneers. You're going to go back into the game today. Yeah, do a little streaming. Let's see what we're doing. Today, I wanted to go in and actually show you guys how to build a factory, or not the factory, but the power plants I built. And a step-by-step thing. It's going to give you 1,200 megawatts of power. And make it so that these stop using up your biofuel for now. We'll change that biofuel usage over later to power like cars or whatever. But for now, it's off because we have the 1,200 megawatts from our factory over there. I haven't been on since we built it, and it looks like the power is still fluctuating. I guess they had one of the fixes that I was looking at was that every time you touch them, some of the power plant, they have power plant issues. So, one, we're going to put our stuff back in here. But we need to do another power plant. Just 16 of these, and production another 6 of these. Put all that stuff up. I have space for it. Make a space. Space here. So I wanted to go kind of looking for Sam over there. Gonna look at this. Yeah, the blueprint. We're gonna try and bring that up so I can build the steel production plant that I'm gonna use. But we're gonna make this our next selected milestone. To give us a tractor, and we'll be able to get back and forth a little bit faster, especially since we don't have to use solid biofuel for anything right this second. So we'll make that our milestone, but we're going to collect up all the parts and make another one. Reinforced iron plates are down here. We're just experimenting with colors there. Here. Oh, and look at that. Phase 1 complete. Complete. And we're gonna need extra because we're going to drag it to there. Motors. Here. Just get rid of stuff we don't really need to be carrying around for now. And, we gotta get. Oh, I need these. Need those because we're gonna have to overclock those. That for now. Motors down. That. This. Spinner. Putting down anything. Trash that. Ooh. Oh, fix it. Didn't see me waste that, hopefully. Let's see. Oh, did I research that? Research that. Not done the purple power shard. Oh yeah, I did. Yeah, I did the purple shard power shard. Alright, let's get all these in the power shard. And charge up. Nick may only need 4, but you know, I'm here. Guess we'll get them done. Get her done. Yes, I'm an old guy. Sorry, can't help myself. Alright, let's go back over here. And, this way. Rotors. Close up real quick. Here. Have them. Fire. I can actually power that on now. I can start making some more points. No power. Oh, dude. No. I already went over the smart splitters. Something I was trying to do there. So check my power. Oh yeah, wire. I knew I was over here for a reason. Extra. And then concrete. Which you'll probably have to run back here for, but through the magic of editing for all the YouTube people, I'm going to cut it down and make it into a video, so you will see it without me having to run over here and grab more concrete later on, but for now. That's enough to get me started. Be happy to get the pocket dimension size of it. I'll just run down the I don't want to fight anything because I don't want to waste those resources. Not my, ammo or anything, but I don't want to waste the resources that particular animal will give me later, so for biofuel purposes or whatever. And hopefully by interacting with power plants, where we can start with that. You can't get to me. Leave me alone. Oh, that was to grab a Mercy Sphere. Here. Ooh, that's right. I'm gonna have to move that. Just got a supply of coal for when I started doing sulfur tree. I gotta move that for now, but it's okay for now. I'm gonna have to work around it. Should have kept that little thing. Oh well. Shouldn't run into the big spider that usually hangs out over there. Big boy. Yep, we're gonna tap those two nodes right there. So we already got a miner on the one, a miner on the other. We'll move that miner, turn it around so it's facing that direction. Get rid of that power plant there. Isn't doing anything. It's got a little biomass. We'll get rid of all that in a minute. I want to actually turn off some of this concrete I have. Stupid. Oh, well. I am definitely just gonna have to flip through that, because I am not changing. Alright, so now this is what we're building right here. And let me go up top because I want to see what's going on. Power. It's fluctuating. This thing should never ever fluctuate. It's got 100 coal but no water. See, why is the water not there? Flash down. Water down here. Water up there. Why is that? Pump is right there. Why aren't you working, pump? What am I doing? Okay. I've never had any issues with this water thing before. I don't know why I'm having issues right now. We can try to expand it. Just get it thing. It's jamming out. Yeah. See if that solved our water issues. Rebuilding piping. going on? Okay, that one's working almost. Let's check this. I need the same. That. Everything that's there. Up. Water level up. .6 now. Oh, you got me. Yes. Yep. Yes, sir. Okay, there we go. So okay. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna see if I can get all this filled up to max. You know, cut some machines here. Already have enough to them. Because I don't want to lose all my power. Oh my god, that's so loud. So all I did was turned off power to few machines to allow these back-end machines to fill up with water. Once the whole system is totally pressurized, I will turn them back on and see if that works. But like I said before, I've never had a problem with the water flow before until now. So those are all back up. That's up. Still not up. Anyway, the hope is to once I saturate the pipes, that they stay saturated. If that does not work, we'll be doing a little bit more troubleshooting. That should work out. But these ends are over here. On this side are doing okay. All the water up in there. And there. Okay, good. That's all right. Cool. Should be able to saturate the pipes. Come on, get in there. Alright. Of course, steady. Steady. Okay, that's the... Alright, let's get out of the hole here. And I know they're turned off. Turn them back on again. And see if the system holds. Okay. Put back on the other side. Now turn them off. Really got to figure out a small walkway for this. Oh, yeah. I think it did, wasn't it? And a 2. And a 2. Come on. Alright, so we'll let this do its thing. We're going to keep an eye on it, though. I'm pretty sure it's just something to do with when I first brought it up, was having a few problems with coal or something. Probably affected the rest of my system. I don't know. Right now it's doing what it's supposed to be doing. Give me 1200 megawatts of power. We're going to do that again. We're going to need the power later anyway, so in order to show you how to do this thing, we may as well just get her done. And put another plant right over there. That's going to keep us from having to bother with this. Alright. Oh my goodness. It's going to be moved over. Okay. So this is a 9 by 11. So go out to actually just go for 9. 9 right there. That's one foundation and 10 out. Out. Middle, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Huh? Oh no. 9, really? Come on, 5 is the middle, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Out there. Alright. And connect that over there. So this is basically your footprint for your factory. It's going to be a little offset to that one. It's not going to be quite even because of that little branch or that little rock formation. We're not going to worry about that. We're just going to continue on. So on the corners, you want to go with a 4-meter foundation. Go back 5 high. Go vertical. Just do that on every end over here. Can't get over that. That just looks so weird being up there. It's good, kind of weird. Okay, there are 5 over here. Right. And And again, this is to show you and also to ensure that I don't have to do this for a little while. We need plenty of power to make it a few projects before having to do this anyway. Like I said, I usually have to use it. Excuse me. Now, the required parts for this, you want to have that walls, the holes in it, so conveyor wall holes. You want to have the pipe hole, and you also want to have the floor hole. Kind of necessary things. So you have those, and stop it. So we have a way up and down. We're gonna stick ourselves a little staircase up there. Alright, once that floor is built here. And for the placement scheme, we're gonna go look for the center. Oh, by the way, this is a guy named Waz, WA_ZZ. He's the one that did the original design. I just tweaked it just a little bit here and there for me. And, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5. It's our middle. You're gonna come out here with one of your co-power generators. Get that boy around that way. Alright, moving too fast. Stop moving too fast. Alright. Okay, so it is 1, 2, 4, and 1. Up. That's right. Head center. It's 4 and 1, so 4 over, 1 back. 4 and 1 back. So we drop that bad boy. If you see where the foot is, you'll see where it kind of meets up the diamond pattern there. That's right. You know you're in the right spot. And these are back to back, so laid in. All you gotta do is put the dot there. And you kind of freehand it right there. Done deal. Those are equal amount of distance, and you just set up your other 14. Side by side. Stop it. There. Okay, so something is. Why do I say that? Because because I can see that this side is off. Where we went wrong, which is right there. Goes out. Back. And the reason I could tell that is because when you look down these rows as you're doing these things, it should just be, one should just match the other perfectly, one side perfectly. I saw that was off a little bit, so I pretty much knew one side or the other was off. Check this side first and then the other side. Alright, now we'll finish these off. Alright, all those bad boys are in. Alright, come back here. Center line right here. We're just going to line up all of our splitters there. Just big scrap. Splitter. Head on the line here. Going in this direction here. it's not doing that. They used to do when you did it, sometimes it would give you a line out of the center, but I guess they stopped doing that, thank goodness. But anyway, you see the line going there, so you know you're in the right spot, and as long as you're in the middle, just go up 3. Okay, you got all your lines lined up, so you know what's what. Alright. 3 of 3, boom. All the bottoms come out of here. And when you're grabbing stuff on, when you're doing that, try not to grab too much. I've done that before. Why is there no smoke? Why is there smoke? Yeah, smoky, smoky. Temporary little bridge from one to the other. Might make a permanent connection there. Oh. Yeah, no smoky, smoky means I'm not pretty much getting the water that I need for some reason or another. Alright, we'll solve that in a minute. Right now, I want to go ahead and finish this building. One thing you will learn in Satisfactory is you hate chasing water issues. Water, water, water. It's all about the water. Alright. What's that? Any concrete. I knew I would, but you know, I got more free spots now. Hopefully, for the concrete. See, that's cool. One up. It's not what it's supposed to be doing. Check on the other side real quick. Seems to be running fine. Oh! Okay. I'm gonna have to put myself up some temporary walkways before I kill myself. And as we get cosmetics, we'll make all this look beautiful. But right now, we're just wanting the power. Okay, that one's fine. You're fine. Why aren't you fine? You should be fine. Stop messing around. Okay. Alright, try this again. Here to here. That helps. It does not. Not liking this thing. I think that'll do her. Yep, that'll do her. There's just this segment of pipe here that was messing everything up. Just redid it. And you see that water's going up. So I should have no more issues out of this plant. I knew I shouldn't have issues out of it in the first place, but oh well. Moving on. Didn't have to monitor that anymore. We're good, yep, we're good. We're golden. And if I'd actually thought this through when I knew I was going to have to throw another one of these plants down, I could have taken this one here and started at just 1 or 2 boxes that way, and then we could have both of them even. But oh well, we didn't do that. So guess what? That's right. Doesn't matter. Okay. So, I'm gonna try this with the Mark Ones going into the machine because that should be all that we need for the machine. The reason it wasn't working on that one over there when we did it yesterday was basically because they were having those problems with the machines actually getting full or whatever. And we actually have to do Mark II belts from this point on. So, but the ones that should be fine from the machine. And you see why we didn't have to stack that there. It just makes perfect outcomes out. We're golden. Right in, bring it in. Here and do the same thing that we just did over there over here. This literally should be really just a piece of cake build. But again, it's going to get you your 1200 megawatts of power stuff. Good for starting. Okay. This. Holes. And since we're matching it to the walls down below, we're just going to stick ours here. Normally, if you're doing it just single, you would put it over here on the side here. It comes up at an angle, but with us doing 2 runs of 125 into this machine, we're just going to put them right there. And alright. And we're going to also keeping with the Mark II because we got 125 coming into this. So we want to make sure we use Mark IIs out. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Have it. No. 1, 2, 4. And 2. Okay. Back down to the center line, back 2 picks, bring that up. And perfect. Perfect. Okay. Good to go. Hold to the other side here. Go back to 2. That. There. that's ready to receive the code. We're going to go around this. Well, I might even have to put through it. I'm just not gonna. Feature's not gonna beat me today, man. Anyway, gotta go around and go get some concrete. Bring that back. We'll get the other side set up and start running the pole over to that area there for our generator. So be right back. Usually when I go to a place, I set up concrete. Because I know there's concrete over there, but you know. Berries. Ooh. Run, Forrest, run. Most of those guys you can outrun anyway. Just keep on past them. We're not dealing with them right now. We have power to gate. More power. And we don't need to get a whole other burner section for you, because we could just use the power plant that we already have over there to jumpstart from the power plant. Isn't that great? I know you're impressed. Something is going on here. Every time I think it's almost every time I pass the area, I get that. I know that crazy. I know I didn't lose power. But just $1.12. Good to go. It's funny, you just gotta track those pipe problems down, any of the little problems down that you have. You need to track them. Look what you got. You see what I mean. Maybe my 10-year-old wants to make noise right now for some reason or another. Okay, I will be right back. Give me 2 seconds. Alright, I am back. Let's go run back over there. And,
I mean, you just want one? Or like little like that?
hey. Okay, run, Forrest. Let's go. Yeah, we're almost done with this one, and then we'll run on to our next project, which is getting ourselves vehicular transportation. We actually want to set up some factories, or set up some production lines. And you can get some things like the modular frames. We've got a small little one for rotors right now, but we know where some bigger nodes are, so we're going to go ahead and tap those real fast and get those in play. I don't know how big they are now. I forgot to change some stuff. What if they changed those? Nah, I don't remember. We're going to go find out. Not right now. We're going to go find out. They're trying to get the explosive ammo here throughout the stink plants. Alright, these are the two nodes we're going to tap. And they are normal nodes. And with the Mark 1, you get 60 out. First things first, we're going to get rid of that. See here, we're just going to get rid of that. And that. That can stay, it's a full container of coal. With some other stuff that can stay. Fine. This. So, what I usually do is I'll take this and I like to keep all these things like on the same line, so to speak. So you need to get over that ridge. I'm just gonna build this up. Wrap it over. Spiders just hang out in this area, so I'm a little weary of those guys. Just creep on it. Now you got spiders running up your butt. No. Yeah. Take a poop right there. Right back. Hold on. just to check, make sure. For me. Alright. Get on over here. Yep. We're gonna need this. Here. Liner. Alright, right there, down, around. I'll come back and chop. Not this. I put this son of a kind of avoid. Oh yeah, I can put it down there for that. But do that. That way I can avoid rock formation. I have to. Yeah, I'll get right back. Good there. Huh? Yeah. Up. Yeah.
Just,
Huh?
it's just lag. But I stopped one of the recording. Maybe it'll go out to Twitch YouTube right now.
Okay. Okay. Alright. What are we doing? Hoping I brought enough for the, we shall see. Center. Oh, wrong answer. Have it. Me?
Bro, say, look here. Yeah.
Huh?
I don't know why it's lagging like
This right here.
like
It's lagging for some reason or another.
like why you
Has zero drop frames, but for some reason,
yeah, it says so let's do probably this
one more time.
probably the stop screen, but we can hit it.
Alright, stream is still lagging. That's you, huh?
Yeah, it was early.
Okay, so we're gonna end this. We're gonna pick it up right from where we left off. I'm not gonna build anymore, but we're gonna stop. So we'll be back.
Yeah.